Cheers.
As you can see, this is a C, then there is a necklace and the jewel on top of it.
So fancy, darling. I felt so posh. समझे ज़माना के दिल है खिलौना.
और क्या क्या टैलेंट्स है जिसके बारे में हमें नहीं पता है.
I can talk with my mouth closed. You keep like a smile on your face. वो वहाँ से घूर रहा है मुझे. Just get me here. I don't want to be seated next to him. कुछ ही करो, please. He's really creepy. So I had these eyebrows, fake lashes, outlined lips, that nose, and I have like that pictures. Okay. I remember showing Vikram Bhatt also those photos, and he was like, "Who is this? Who is this?" And this is me. Like so beautiful, right?
Mumbai isn't just a city, it's an emotion that fuels everyone's creativity. Be it walking around the vibrant streets of Dadar Phul Mandi or the ever-busy Crawford Market, or even looking at the iconic landmarks like the Gateway of India or the Marine Drive. Inspiration is everywhere and the world is our gallery. As a food and travel content creator, I thrive on curating inspirational and creative content as well as experiencing innovative culinary creations. So today I will be visiting Mumbai's top bars and restaurants who've collaborated with Bombay Sapphire Creative Lab to try out the drinks that have been uniquely crafted and inspired by the iconic Queen's Necklace. Wow, just look at the creativity. Queen's Necklace in a glass. I am at Shaz BKC, top American brasserie, and this is a shining pearl drink taking inspiration from Mumbai's iconic landmark Queen's Necklace. I would say this is the perfect saw this, made this example. And this is so refreshing, truly capturing the essence of Queen's Necklace with its sparkling presentation and exquisite taste. Well, with this drink being a clear winner, it's time to head out and explore more restaurants. But I'm not alone on this adventure. I'll be joined by the Adakar of Bollywood, Ada Sharma. Let's go. Hi Ada.
Hi.
So good to see you after really long.
Thank
So last
you. Good
time
to see
we
you
indulged
too.
in like unlimited pani puri.
We did.
Indulged in chocolate sandwich, guys. Like मतलब
जी.
bread के अंदर भर भर के chocolate
I
था.
thought that was yum. A lot of people के comments में लोगों ने कहा कितना gross है और but मैदा and chocolate, the two evils combined, उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा I don't know क्या ही हो सकता है.
But good thing is today we are going to indulge in some creative drinks that have been inspired by the Queen's Necklace.
Wow, yeah, it's really pretty. I don't know, even मैं पानी ऐसे देखती हूँ तो my first thought is to swim in it,
Really?
jump into it. I don't know.
And I feel like Mumbai as a city, I think evokes a spirit of creativity, and we couldn't have had a
Definitely.
better guest than you.
Oh.
I mean, you have so many talents and you are so creative in everything that you do.
Thank
You
you.
can sing, you can, you strum on a guitar, play a piano.
Kamya, thank
और क्या क्या talents है जिसके बारे में हमें नहीं पता है.
जिसके बारे में नहीं पता है, I can talk with my mouth closed.
Oh,
I
really?
learned that क्योंकि रेड कार्पेट्स पे या कोई आप अगर पब्लिक फंक्शन में हो तो मुझे यूजुअली जो इंसान मेरे साथ है मुझे उनसे बात करना है और पर कैमराज बार बार ले रहे हैं फोटोज तो अगर आप बात कर रहे हो किसी से तो आपका फेस वैसे लाइक व्हाई
Yeah.
सो यू हैव टू टॉक विद द फोटोज आर लाइक दे आर कंटिन्यूइंग टू टेक फोटोज सो इधर आपको ऐसे बात करना लाइक ओह माय गॉड दैट इज सो एक्साइटिंग व्हाट आर यू सेइंग I'm so excited. You know that, or you keep like a smile on your face,
Yeah.
and then you can really वहाँ से घूर रहा है मुझे. Just get me here. I don't want to be seated next to him. कुछ ही करो, please. He's really creepy, so I really don't want to talk to him. So get me away, okay? Really quick. So I practiced both. That's a very useful
So you
talent.
can do the
everybody
rest of
should.
the interview like this, only nobody will
Yeah.
know what you're doing.
Yeah, you should just keep your face like that, and then you can say really nasty things also, and keep like a really smiling face, and say you hate everybody, but keep your smile on your face and say it.
This is so amazing. But I want to know, where does all this creativity come from? Like, you've always been from Mumbai. What does the city really mean to you?
Oh my, for me, yeah, Amchi, Mumbai is everything. I've done my schooling from here,
Yeah.
and I've lived in the same house. I just moved now, but I've lived in the same house all my life.
Right.
मुझे समुंदर बहुत पसंद है, तो
Right.
कार्टर रोड एंड बैंड स्टैंड, आई थिंक जॉगर्स
Yeah.
पार्क, मेरे बहुत सारे मेमोरीज है बिकॉज मैं ट्रेन करती थी जब स्कूल में थे जॉगर्स पार्क में.
Right.
तो सुबह उठते थे 5 बजे ट्रेनिंग के लिए. सो दैट्स वी यूज्ड टू हैव आवर स्पोर्ट्स डे का हीट्स इन जॉगर्स पार्क.
Do you have any memories from the Queen's Necklace?
We've always driven past it. रात को बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है.
Yeah.
And I remember my friend's house had the view of this when we were kids. And वो टाउन साइड पे रहती थी. उनके घर से when you go to the balcony आप रात को वो देख सकते थे, and हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड होते थे. जो मैं घर में पैदा हुई थी वहाँ पे the main thing I liked was पेड़ पौधे थे हर
Right.
जगह. So that's very important for me because मैं बर्ड्स को बुला सकती हूँ अपने घर, मैं उनसे बात कर सकती हूँ, मैं स्क्विरल्स को बुला सकती हूँ, और सब लोग आते हैं मेरे घर पे जो उड़ सकते हैं, वो लोग आते हैं मेरे घर पे लंच और ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, एंड मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ.
But आपके घर पे फर्नीचर नहीं है.
नहीं, मेरे घर पे फर्नीचर नहीं है.
अच्छा, इसीलिए सिर्फ उड़ने वाले ही लोग आ सकते हैं.
हाँ, उड़ने वाले ही लोग, खिड़की से जो भी नहीं, आई शुडंट से माय गॉड कोई क्लाइंब अप करके आए, नहीं, जो उड़ सकते हैं, जिसके पंख हैं, वो इनवाइटेड है मेरे घर पे.
But what's the logic of no furniture in the house?
आई थिंक लेस क्लटर इज ऑलवेज नाइसर बिकॉज फिर स्पेस ज्यादा है ना, तो आप नाच सकते हो यहाँ से वहाँ, एंड you know, आप टकरा नहीं जाओगे कोई. It's just very convenient. I've noticed I'm more happy when you're not thinking about मुझे क्या पहनना है, मुझे क्या बोलना है, मुझे क्या, when you get out of those things, even food I'm trying. If you eat the same thing every day,
Yeah.
आप देखो आपके मन में कितना फ्री टाइम मिलेगा. यू हैव सो मच फ्री टाइम टू डू अदर थिंग्स. इफ आई डिसाइड कि फॉर 1 month आई विल ईट ओनली लाइक खिचड़ी दाल एंड this, suppose
Yeah,
this vegetable, every day change the vegetable and this is it. Free time बहुत मिलता है. Then you can
That's
learn the
true.
other things. So getting back to how you learn things like this.
Yeah, because you're not spending time making decisions.
You're not
or
making
thinking
decisions.
and
Yeah,
everything.
तो आप सोच नहीं रहे हो कि lunch में
Yeah.
क्या
like
है.
a lot of people also just wear same color, like वही t-shirt, वही. You do that? आज स्पेशल हमारे लिए.
Yeah, special
Oh.
आपके लिए ढूंढ के कबर्ड से I took out.
Wow.
हाँ, पर आप बहुत खुश हो जाओ. I don't know, आपकी लाइफ बहुत खुश रहेगी वैसे.
Simple रहती है with minimum things. So you did mention that you like being surrounded by nature, birds, and I feel like there's a creative potential in all of us, and Mumbai as a city, you know, gives so much. You know, people take inspiration from people, things, landmarks. What is it that stirs your creativity?
One thing that's common for everything is focus and attention, and I think that's the only way to be creative. बिकॉज अगर आपके पास फोकस नहीं है और आप बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो तो आप क्रिएटिव नहीं हो सकते हो कोई भी चीज़ में. एंड आजकल हम लोग सब प्रैक्टिस करते हैं कि हम लोग डिस्ट्रैक्ट कैसे हो. राइट, फुल डे वी आर ऑन आवर फोन्स एंड वी आर सो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. कोई अगर बात कर रहा है तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं at 2 o'clock then I'll go here and at 3:30 I'll do this and tomorrow I'll, हम लोग वो सोच रहे हैं. हम लोग कभी प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में है नहीं. आई थिंक इफ यू आर प्रेजेंट in the moment and you're just focused on what you're doing then, जो भी हो, अगर आप रील देख रहे हो तो वो रील में फोकस्ड हो, अगर किसी से बात कर रहे हो तो उस पे.
But that also
Then I
takes
think,
practice, no?
Focus is only practice, only practice.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
but our mixologists today have been very focused and very creative. So we are at Dome Intercontinental, which is right opposite Marine Drive, offering a breathtaking view of the iconic stretch. I mean, the number of stories and people that Marine Drive has seen is unmatched, right? So what better way to enjoy drinks that have been inspired by the Queen's Necklace? And the name of the drink is the Jewel of Necklace.
Ooh,
So let's see how
so
it is.
fancy, darling.
As you can see, This is a C, then there is a necklace and the jewel on top of it.
So fancy, darling. I felt so posh. Thank you so much.
Okay, tell me, what are the touristy things you've done in Mumbai? Let me list it out for you.
Yeah.
So if you have done something touristy, you've got to take a sip of this.
Okay.
Okay. Gateway of India पर photo खिंचवाई है.
नहीं.
Really?
I'm not taking a photo on you. I mean, I've gone to Gateway of India.
बार, so I'm
क्या
going to take a
बात
sip.
कर रही हो?
Of course.
Okay. I'll have a virtual sip, darling.
But you know, like every time guests would come over from outside of
Drink
Mumbai,
Gateway of India.
would take them to Gateway of India, Marine Drive. Like there's some iconic places of
I've
Mumbai.
never done this. I'm
No?
not a good host at all. नहीं.
ये तो किया होगा. जुहू बीच पर काला खट्टा गोला खाया है. हाँ, okay.
That we've all done, no?
Double decker bus में बैठे हो.
I've sat in a BST bus
Yeah.
many times, but double decker पे नहीं. Aren't they extinct or not extinct?
Yeah,
Aren't they?
now-
Aren't they discontinued? Extinct. I made them dinosaurs.
मन्नत के बाहर फोटो खिंचवाई है.
नहीं.
Okay, bandstand.
फोटोज नहीं खिंचवाए यार. ऑल माई नाइस मोमेंट्स मैं नहीं खिंचवाती हूँ फोटोज हम लोग लाइक मूवी पे करते हैं. ये जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ फ्रेंड्स के साथ, मैं फोन भी घर पे छोड़ देती हूँ ताकि बात कर सकते हो. और यू नो आई डोंट नो, फोन है तो यू वांट टू क्लिक एवरीथिंग.
True. So what do you prefer, bandstand or Carter Road?
ओ माय, मैं चूज नहीं कर सकती हूँ. मे बी या बोथ.
Everybody has one favorite, bandstand or Carter Road. Guys, let us know in comments below.
Yeah, maybe bandstand. The thing is longer. The
Yeah, I
stretch.
think I also like bandstand because it just you feel closer to the sea.
Yeah, because that's वहाँ से
Yeah.
खुला है, open है ना वहाँ
Carter
से.
Road पर वैसा नहीं.
पर कार्टर रोड बहुत कूल हो गया अभी. वो डॉग पार्क सब है. You've gone to the dog park on Carter Road?
No, I went to Carter Road last with you.
तो मैं जाती रहती हूँ कभी कभी डिस्गाइज में.
Oh, अच्छा.
बट मैं जाती रहती हूँ.
Okay. So next one, Fashion Street पर shopping. Okay, I should ask, Linking Road पर shopping की है.
हाँ, फैशन स्ट्रीट, लिंकी रोड, दोनों.
दोनों. You bargain, how good are you with negotiating?
No. मेरे पास है. if he's saying suppose 400, वो मेरे पास है and I'm not giving, I'll die of guilt. मैं सोचती रहूंगी कि उसने 400 कहा, मैंने 350 कर लिया और वो 50 रुपीज लाइक मेरा 50 रुपीज जाएगा. then you know I don't know, I get into like a whole moral dilemma
Oh
with
my
bargaining. तो if he says
तो
whatever he
जो
says.
प्राइस बोले वो, मैं वहाँ पे अभी एक बाकरा लगाने
हाँ,
वाली हूँ.
सीना. इसके बाद now I should not go for
Now they'll know. अगर
At
तो
the
जो
most-
प्राइस बोलो.
yeah. Rasta shopping is very nice.
काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल अटेंड किया है?
Yes.
Okay.
Kala Ghoda festival I have. Twice, I think. Once for some movie thing only we had gone.
You've been really well in this game. So now let's treat you with some food.
Yes.
But what are the specifications now? No onion, no garlic.
That
Please
was
take us
always
through.
my life.
Forever.
But I don't like onion and garlic. That's a personal thing. It's not any health thing or anything. मुझे personally
And now you're also a vegan.
प्याज. I've also always been a vegan. So there's a lot of dishes. It's not कि अरे बेचारी कुछ खाती नहीं है, कुछ नहीं खा सकती है.
Okay.
So
But today at Dome we are going to be indulging
Yes.
into delicious vegetarian food.
lovely.
Okay. So let's begin.
Let's go.
So this blue glassware is not just good looking but is also sustainable and made from Bombay sapphire glass. So let's begin.
Yes.
So tell me,
Hmm.
when you were in class 10, you announced that you want to be a heroine.
Hmm.
तो क्या था family का reaction? And you were very certain and sure कि मुझे यही करना है.
हाँ, I don't know क्यों. पर मेरा एक चीज़ है, कोई भी चीज़ में लाइफ में, even if we go to like shop at a place,
Yeah.
I enter and I say I want this and this. I'm done. I'm very sure. It could be a wrong decision completely, but that time I'm very sure. I've never experienced being in a dilemma, ye ya ye.
You're very lucky. You don't know how many of us are always in a dilemma. ये या ये, you know, before taking any decision, it just takes forever.
But sometimes it's a good thing
Okay.
because you have time to not make a mistake or something.
Yeah.
I'm very sure. I'm like this. So I was like, I want to be an actress and I can dance. And I'll only do movies that need me to do Kathak, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to do Kathak in all the movies and I'm graduating in Kathak. I had 2 years left
Yeah.
then. So I said I will definitely get a lot of movies which will have me do Kathak. So we said एक portfolio लेते हैं. And हम लोग ने portfolio लिया जहाँ पे hair and makeup people were there. Because I have a say in things, I'll say नहीं मुझे नहीं करना है, वो fake lashes मुझे नहीं लगाने हैं. That time they were like नहीं lashes लगाना है और eyebrows को fill करने हैं. अभी मेरे eyebrows को कोई fill करेगा, आप सोचो. So I had these eyebrows, fake lashes, outlined lips, that like that nose, and I have like that pictures, okay? एंड मैं जाके आई डोंट नो हु ऑल वी वेंट एंड शोड एंड लोग मुझे मिलके कहते थे कि आप इतने सुंदर लगते हो पर्सन में, आपके आई थॉट कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हैं मुझे, बट एक्चुअली दे वर ट्राइंग टू से कि आपके फोटोज इतने हिडियस है. आई रिमेंबर शोइंग विक्रम भट्ट ऑल्सो दोज फोटोज. And he was like, who is this? And this is me, like so beautiful, right? And then they were like, no, we'll do another makeup test and all. That's the thing. अगर आप इंडस्ट्री से कनेक्टेड नहीं हो तो इतनी सारी चीजें आप सीखते हो.
And it's a dream that many people hold, right? And it's so difficult to cut through in this industry. How long did it take for you?
When I did 1920, I was a child. I didn't know anything. I'm glad I did 1920 as my first movie क्योंकि विक्रम भट्ट.
How old were you by then?
We just finished 10th.
Okay.
And so by the time we were mid-10th, so I had this annual day where Asha Parekh ji had come, okay,
Yeah.
and her manager was K.S. Sanjay, and he saw me dancing Kathak. I was doing Saraswati Vandana. He said, you dance very well, you should do movies and all someday. And I said, yeah, I want to do movies only. But I only want to do movies where I do Kathak and all. अभी तक नहीं किया वो. मिला नहीं. I hope इस जन्म में ख़त्म कर पाऊँ वो wishes. नहीं तो I'll have to be reborn like शाहरुख खान and ओम शांति ओम में. 1920 में मुझे बहुत अच्छे reviews आए थे and audience ने भी बहुत तारीफ की and all. But वो 1920 से अभी we are 2024. मुझे 104 साल लगे for Kerala story to happen. 103 years to get Kerala story. And then people see and they say, आप कहाँ थे इतने टाइम से? Actually मैं उधर ही थी. But it's very I don't know how does one get a good role. There's no answer to that.
I saw that Instagram video of yours, the girl of your nightmare, where you were actually walking like this. It was a 1920 created in Instagram itself. That kind of flexibility comes from where?
I've done gymnastics also.
Right.
और वो मस्ती वाला वीडियो था. वो अलाइनमेंट बॉडी की नहीं थी. हम लोग हंस के होटल के कॉरिडोर में कर रहे थे. But it was
scary. मैं डर गई देखकर.
हाँ, वो we were purposely.
You're so goofy on your Instagram, unlike other Bollywood actresses.
थैंक यू. मेरे मूवीज में मुझे इतने सीरियस रोल्स मिलते हैं जो मैं क्रिब नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. प्लीज मुझे सीरियस रोल्स दो. आई लाइक इट. बट रियल लाइफ में मैं नहीं हूँ. एंड आई थिंक इट्स एन आउटलेट. Instagram also policing नहीं है वहाँ पे ना. कोई नहीं कह सकता ये मत करो, ये मत पहनो. My Instagram, my rules.
Oh, but comments में you get love.
Yeah, and now love. I always think love. We are suppose someone says I really loved your performance and I'm very happy, right?
Yeah.
So someone says I hate you and you disgust me. You should die. Now I can't say now I don't want that, right? Now they want that. Freely I'm taking the love. So then if you hate also, I should be okay with it. I think.
That's true. So you're okay with it. मिलता है कभी तो it doesn't like.
मैं डिलीट तो नहीं करती हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक सबके ओपिनियंस अलाउड होने चाहिए. बट मोस्टली आप देखो वो फेक अकाउंट से आते हैं जिसके वो 0 फॉलोअर्स वो वाले हैं.
Yeah, I'm loving this conversation.
Thank you.
And we should, of course, I would love for you to try the sushi.
Yes, I don't know how to eat with chopsticks. May I just?
Of course, and that's how it's supposed to be eaten.
I don't think that's supposed to be eaten.
Yeah, that is how Japanese don't use chopsticks for sushi.
So then why do we use chopsticks?
हम ज़्यादा style मारते हैं.
Japanese people don't use chopsticks?
Not for sushi. They use it for rice, they use it for noodles. But sushi, they usually
I'm very messy, I would drop it on myself. So
like this, dip and
I already put it in my mouth. I don't want to dip it in that, but it's very nice. Thank you. I have dropped this fork 50 times.
I think it's a sign we should hop over to our next place.
We should.
Yeah? Let's go. So welcome to PCO. Have you been to this place before?
I haven't. It's very pretty. Rainforest vibe. Cheers.
Nice and refreshing.
Interesting, yes.
So that's the thing. Life is about finding inspiration in everyday things and making something creative out of it. That really is the essence of Bombay Sapphire. Saw this, made this, and that's how beautifully the mixologist has prepared this drink, which is called Bombay 01, taking inspiration from the Queen's necklace.
Very creative. ऐसे ही करते रहो. It's nice. I think creativity in all forms. अगर आप शेफ हो और आप खाना भी बना रहे हो तो there's so much creativity that goes into it.
Absolutely. What are the things that you really take inspiration from in our day-to-day life?
मैं जिससे भी मिलती हूँ रोज मैं सीखती हूँ उनसे. आई फील अगर आप एक्टर हो ऑल्सो, आप एक सेट पे हो, बहुत सारे लोग आपसे मिलते हैं. आप बहुत लाइक सेल्फलेस और बहुत अच्छे लोग मिलते हैं, और कुछ बहुत बदतमीज, और उनसे भी इंस्पिरेशन मैं लेती हूँ, बिकॉज यू नो कि मुझे ऐसे बनना नहीं है। तो वैसे लोग ऑफ कोर्स नेचर देयर सो मच, आप हर एक पत्ते से क्रिएटिविटी सीख सकते हो, बिकॉज एवरी लीफ इज लाइक डिफरेंट एंड हैज कलर्स। वी गॉट सम वेरी कूल बैकग्राउंड आल्सो, बट लाइक आई मीन द रियल वंस एंड बर्ड्स, हर एक की पर्सनैलिटीज, हर एक, अगर आप जस्ट बर्ड वॉचिंग करो ना, आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा। आई फील यू नो जब हम स्कूल में थे तो आई रिमेंबर कि एक रूल था दैट द ग्रास हैड टू बी ग्रीन एंड द स्काई हैड टू बी ब्लू एंड द काउ हैड टू बी, एंड मैं हमेशा पूछती थी अपनी मॉम को कि क्यों मुझे ग्रीन कलर काउ करना है, बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू नो यू आर जस्ट टॉट दैट you have to do just this, you're not allowed to. Sometimes they train you that from जब आप छोटे हो तब से आपके दिमाग पे, because this is the only way to do it. This is not correct, and if you ask somebody कि क्यों, they don't have an answer to it. It's just not correct, right? No one else is doing it. You're not allowed to do something sometimes in life because कोई और नहीं कर रहा है, तो मुझे भी वैसे ही करना है जो उसने किया, because वो सक्सेसफुल थी वैसे करके। आपके अंदर वो भूख आ जाती है इतनी सारी, तो I think मे बी all that also helps get more creative maybe.
Absolutely. भूख की बात की लगी और भूख अब
हाँ, I have a bottomless pit. I can keep eating. There is no limit of how much
Last time you mentioned you have an appetite like a 12-year-old boy.
It's still like a 12-year-old. Like it has not.
Okay.
Or a wrestler, I always say.
It was a long drive from Marine Drive to Lower Parel. 20 minutes is long.
It's digested.
Let's have another round of some food.
Sure, done.
Nice dim sums for you.
Nice. Yum. So, I've been taught how to use chopsticks.
Okay, let's see how Ada can get creative. You know, we've been talking about saw this, made this. Ada has got some chopsticks, which looks like this. Let's see what she does with it.
First, I should try to not break. Okay. So, if you don't know how to eat with chopsticks, like some people, okay. And then you don't want to drop and you still want to look posh and fancy. Here you take a tissue and you keep this tissue over here, okay? And you wrap this around and then you have it here. So then you won't drop the chopsticks. You should try.
Let's see how successful you get with this.
Not bad.
Not bad. Well done.
You can't eat with chopsticks, but then you have to hide this.
So that nobody comes to know your hack.
So that no one knows your hack, chopstick hack.
Okay, now we know about your other talents also of mimicking popular Bollywood actresses. So we are going to give you a fun challenge.
Already मेरी life में जैसे problems, not problems, but it's already difficult. अभी मैं जाके उनका मिमिक्री करके और अपने आप को फंसाऊं।
इतने प्रॉब्लम्स में एक और सही, वो क्या डायलॉग था, भगवान उन्हीं को सबसे ज्यादा कठिन काम देता है। नहीं,
भगवान अपनी सबसे कठिन लड़ाई अपने सबसे शक्तिशाली सिपाहियों को ही देता है, पर वो सिपाही जाके और अलग अलग लेके अपने सर पे नहीं डालता है।
Let's try this.
Okay.
If Madhuri Dixit likes this drink, how would she say it? Oh, nice. Okay. Alia Bhatt, when she finds out there is sugar in her drink.
Sugar in my drink. I don't think Alia Bhatt will be a good idea to be mimicking.
No?
No,
Okay,
I would give that a pass.
Okay, if Ananya Pandey wants one more drink or starter.
I really want another drink or starter. I really would want it.
Sara Ali Khan, a shairi about this place or anything like that.
She rhymes stuff, na, like this is so tasty, but don't be hasty, and like.
Sonam Kapoor. Okay, the situation is, if the drink accidentally falls on her dress while having a meal.
I think Sonam Kapoor would be fine with it, and she'd call for another dress maybe. I think she's a chill person. I don't know her personally, but I think that she won't have a problem if there's a drink fallen. She'll just call for another dress, because it's not like the silver spoon. We still have chopsticks that we're eating with. You're getting into so much trouble, am I not?
Okay.
Aren't I?
Okay, finally, Kareena Kapoor Khan enjoying a drink with a gang of girls.
The gang of girls. Oh, but we always mimic her poo, no? Her normal self might not be like that. I don't know.
Yeah, but when you do this, I can feel it. I can feel Kareena Kapoor.
Then the poo thing on me, so like, yeah, refreshing. And I'm doing it thinking कि ना मैं substandard job करती हूँ because मैं exact करूँगी ना तो फिर लोग देख के और गालियाँ देंगे तो देने दो पर थोड़ा वो
I know, guys. I know off camera how she can mimic people. ये तो मैंने camera पे बोला है.
ठंडा बनना.
Very subtle. Okay, so the way these guys have actually taken inspiration from Queen's necklace and presented that in a way of a drink. Have you ever taken inspiration from anything and then created something?
Yeah, in school we had salad dressing competition, if that counts, does it?
Yeah.
मतलब वो ऐसे ही salad को garnish नहीं,
हाँ.
वो कुछ बनाओ like घर बनाओ radish से snowman बनाओ इससे वो वैसे.
Has there been any place that has really inspired you, or even within the city, if there is any place that really inspires you?
My terrace at home.
Really?
That's the most inspiring place for me. और I get my ideas जब मैं piano बजा रही हूँ. Because I don't know, yeah, shower maybe also. But I think when you're most relaxed, आपको सब ideas या सब creativity सब ये होता है ना when you're most relaxed. So yeah, my terrace is the best place.
Yeah, are you relaxed right now?
Pretty much, not as much as I am on my terrace because I know cameras are on me. But yeah, I'm pretty relaxed.
So we would love if you can play the ukulele. We'd like to get a glimpse into this other side of Ada also.
What I do on my terrace usually for the crows. This is my first time in front of live human audience.
We are all very excited.
Okay. And even if you all don't like, pretend to like. समझे ज़माना के दिल है खिलौना जाना है अब क्या है दिल का लगाना नजरों से अब ना हमको गिराना मर भी गए तो भूले ना जाना शाम सवेरे तेरी यादें आती है आके दिल को मेरे यूं तड़पाती है हो सनम मोहब्बत की कसम मिलके बिछड़ना तो दस्तूर हो गया यादों में तेरे मजबूर हो गया ओ सनम तेरे यादों की कसम Thank you.
This was amazing. Ada, you are a woman of many talents.
Ali, thank you.
And so creative. We loved it.
Thank you. Wishing for compliments now.
You clearly spend a lot of time with yourself.
I do. I love my company a little too much. I'm very fun to be with myself. So I don't need
No, I also don't mind your company. You are
Really?
actually a fun person to be with. And I think it's a great thing. We all should enjoy our own company. And Ada, before we let you go, would love to know where are we seeing you next? What's coming up? Where are we going to see your creative wings?
Oh my God, in many things I would hope. But like पिछले साल में एक साल में there was Kerala Story, फिर Commando, फिर Sunflower Season 2 और बस्तर. अभी बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या? नहीं मुझे लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है. I feel if I put my energies to that, I won't be able to do the other things.
Right. But whatever makes you happy.
I guess,
it
right?
makes
For now.
us happy. Okay, guys. बाकी की
All right.
conversation off camera.
Yeah.
Bye. See you
Bye.
soon.
See you.
Bombay Sapphire Creative Labs saw this, made this campaign is live across 4 cities, and you must try these iconic drinks inspired by landmarks like Bengaluru's Pink Trumpet Tree or the Taj Mahal. The list is in the caption below. So what are you waiting for? Go out and explore these restaurants and many more, such as Akina and Daily in Bandra, Silly in Khar, Cozy Box in Lower Parel. And it's not just for Mumbaikars. Those in Delhi, Bangalore and Goa can also enjoy city-inspired drinks. Bangaloreans can enjoy drinks inspired by Pink Trumpet. Goans can savor the flavors of Para Road-inspired drink. And Delhiites, you too can indulge in a drink inspired by the Taj Mahal. So shake it up, savor the moment, celebrate and inspire creativity. Until next time, it's me Kamya Jani signing off.